to some candies that we have there. That is so cool. I'm gonna pour now my cheesecake cream. So I have some red cream here that I'm gonna pour, and we're gonna marble it with white, and we're gonna do exactly the same all the way. So pretty. Oh my god, look at this. I'm gonna take a little toothpick and I'm just gonna create a really cool pattern like that. You have your cheesecake here. We're gonna leave it on the side, and we're gonna come just on the side here. I have some brownie here and some white chocolate. I'm gonna cover my brownie with my chocolate on the grill to have the excess chocolate going out. And once you have your brownie here, I'm just gonna take it and we're gonna put it to the little shortbread that I made just before right here. You're gonna see that the chocolate will help me stick all my little shortbread that I created before. Perfect. So we're gonna go right there. Here I have my glass and my shortbread dough that I'm gonna stick to my glass and roll all the way around. You can make sure to press every time you roll it to make sure that the dough, just like that. Once you have your dough, I'm gonna go right here and press it to some candies that we have there. That is so cool. You have your dough here. I'm gonna come back to the tray and we're gonna fill our glass with some brownie dough that I made just before. Perfect. Make sure to don't go all the way to the top because of course the brownie will go a little bit up right there. And follow me. We're gonna go to the oven. Temperature 320 for about, I would say 15 minutes to be sure that it's real cooked. Here we go. And we're gonna come back with my hazelnut. So I have my shortbread dough here, and you can see that I cut my little friends, my Chefclub friends, directly on it. The dough has to be really cold. Once you have cut your little friends there, I'm gonna remove. Perfect. You have them on the website as well. Beautiful. I'm gonna cut with a shooter glass here, the middle part. You're gonna see why. There you go. So really carefully, we're gonna remove the inside, just like that. Of course, you can keep it and do the recipe as many times as you want. And on the little circle that I have here, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of isomalt. You can also work with sugar, but remember that the isomalt that you can find pretty much everywhere on the internet now will have like so transparent texture at the end to create a beautiful window. Now that we have everything, we're gonna go to the oven. So 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. I have my little shortbread cookies here, and we're gonna choose this one there. I have some royal icing here that we're gonna put around here, and we're gonna stick this shortbread here that I cook with it. I'm gonna add some little candy in the middle. It's gonna be so cool, you're gonna see it. 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna make another one here just to stick the top. Remember, we made isomalt to create a little window like this. So cool. With my royal icing here, I'm gonna do all around. Perfect. And with the same one, with a little bit of lemon juice, see that it's a little bit liquid, I'm gonna add the rest here. There we go. And make sure to put my royal icing everywhere. You can take really your time here just to have something really neat. We're gonna finish this one here. Make sure to have your icing. Because here you're gonna let them dry, and as this one already dry, I'm gonna use some black one. So we're gonna start with the nose. Perfect. For this one, we're gonna want some little white in the middle. Perfect. And a little bit of black to finish his little eyes. Really cool. Once you have your little character like that, we're gonna take it, and in the bottom, I'm gonna do a little piece of icing like this. I'm gonna stick my little straw, and we're gonna put it next to the other. I'm gonna put my little pig next to the other, and we're gonna keep going. We're gonna start now the assemblage of our beautiful dessert. I'm gonna tape my tube that I'm gonna tip into my rest of icing. You need a lot because you need to stick the top perfect. Once you have your tube, I'm gonna fix it to the middle of my cake. Make sure to dip it, make sure that it's really stable. Perfect. I'm gonna make sure that you have also your chocolate brownie inside. Perfect. And we're gonna start putting our little decoration here, and we're going to finish with Maurice, our little chef. Same here, into the cake. Perfect. And we're gonna finish our beautiful cake here with the top. That's gonna make all the difference. Look at this, so pretty. And then merry-go-round. Look at this, I love it.